Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel, and today is day 2 of creating an indie game. So yesterday we talked about what was needed to get the project done. We went through Trello, and I explained to you all the different tasks that were required that were in the backlog, some that were in progress, and some that were actually completed. So yesterday, throughout the day, some of the things that I work on were very specific to the website, and it's what basically you're seeing behind the scenes, and I'll walk you through in a few minutes. But I wanted to get the website up and running and completed because that is basically the single point of communication that people are going to have with you when you're not there, meaning that that's basically what media is going to look for. That is where you're going to give the Apple editors before you're releasing. This is what we're going to put in Google Play. So you want to have the website from the very beginning. People may want to know who the creators are in the website. They really don't know who you are, but they might find you through other channels. They might find the website through other channels. So you want to have that information available for them. So one thing that I did in the past for my websites is I would normally get a domain name for every one of my games, and that actually became a little bit expensive. It was additional. It became additional fees that I didn't need. So I started researching how some larger studios do it, how some smaller studios do it, and they all do it in different ways. And what I mean by that is some studios get a domain name for every game. Some studios get, they just use their main studio name, which in my case will be DonRayGames.com, and then they append a directory, which might be the name of the game. So that's what I'm going to be approaching for this game. I'm going to use my studio name, and I'm going to append Mazelistic at the end. And the reason for that is because I don't want to pay for another domain. There's really no reason to pay any more money. And when you have a smaller studio, you want to make sure that you're looking at your expenses as well. So I did that yesterday. I set up, I use Nginx and Ubuntu, and in Nginx I set up a web service. The web service. I set it up in a way that I had an alias of Mazelistic, and anybody that went to the typing Mazelistic after the domain name, it'll direct into a specific directory. So that is being done, and that's the website that you see now if you go to mystudioname.com, Mazelistic. And the next thing that I wanna show you is how the website is organized, so that if you're creating an indie game yourself, these are some of the recommendations that I give you. So let's look at it. Let me show you how it's set up right now. So this is a website, DemoGames.com, Mazelistic, and on the top left I have the game logo, which I actually created pretty quick yesterday. That's more of a placeholder for now. And then I have the basic navigation on the top right. I have home. I have a trailer, the story, basically what is the game about. A press section. That's basically a mailing list, and I'll show you what I have in that area. A gallery, and a blog, and credits. Blog takes people to my main blog, and I like to do that because as I'm creating games, then I can funnel some of the players from other games into my main blog. So the other area that I have that I thought was pretty cool was I added an HTML5 video tag, which with an MP4 video behind the scenes, and it's just a very basic video that runs in a loop. So I wanted people to know right away what the game was about. So that was something new that I haven't done before. And I have every platform that I'm going to be targeting for this game grayed out. I normally have that on every game. This coming soon section is going to be a placeholder for the trailer, and then description about the game, and the newsletter, the press release that I was telling you about, and screenshots, credits, social media. The reason for this is because I want I want to involve everybody in the game creation process. It's because I think when you have players and you give them the visibility of what's happening in development, they get really excited, and I get really excited as well. So that's what I added social media in that area. And then social media on the very bottom of the page so that people can find you through other channels. That's what I worked on yesterday, was basically getting the website up and running. I still have a lot to do. I have a few more tasks. The next thing that I'm going to work on is adding the randomization of the painting spots on the canvas. So bear with me, we're gonna get to that. I think I got everything I needed for the website, and I also created build scripts and deployment scripts that basically, if I make a change on the website, I can check it in, I can push my changes to VSTS, which is what I use for source control, and then VSTS listens for those changes and deploys those changes to my hosting service. So I hope this was helpful, guys. There's a lot of things that I still need to cover, but we'll cover that on day 3. Thanks, guys.